Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies first, guys, and for your career situation and love energy. So these are for your daily energies. We'll be picking cards from another deck for your career situation. So this is for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship. I will keep it here, and one card from the wisdom oracle guidance deck. So that will be a general guidance, what you can follow. It will bring harmony and balance in our life, guys. So we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Aquarius. So first, for your daily energies, guys, we will turn these cards first. It's Queen of Wands, Page of Cups, Two of Pentacles, guys. For your daily energy, these may relate to your personal life situation or your career situation, guys. With these cards in your situation, Aquarius, there are certain obstacles in your career or in your personal life. Whatever you want to do, you may see some kind of delays or something not right, something missing or something obstructing in your path or in your choice. So it may be because of certain people in your circumstance. They are not telling the truth, they are not showing the true picture. Maybe they are hiding something, or it may be your attachment to that situation or circumstance. You need to be more flexible. Again, with these cards, I see here that you are trying to adapt in your situation, maybe between two choices. It may be your career choices that you have, or it may be in your personal life, some kind of flexibility you are working on, and you are trying to adapt that new choice that has come towards you, guys. That direction, whichever you have planned for yourself now, you are trying to be very flexible, and you are a very dedicated and cheerful person, confident, and you know how to handle your situation. So maybe you have that clarity what you need to do today in your situation, and that is what you are doing right now. So you have that clarity in your career or in your personal life, what is your next plan of action, but you are seeing certain obstacles. That is also what I see. So let us see what is this card for your career situation, guys. It's Six of Fire, with this card for your career situation, guys. I see that you hold a very important position in your work. You are the one who is responsible making some important decisions or important choices in your situation. You are helping others, and you are the guiding person in your work. So people come to you for suggestions, what you need to do. Maybe you are in a very important position. Maybe you are a manager in your work, or you may be a team leader, someone who has many people working for you. So you occupy a very important position, and you are contributing in a positive way, and you are having that clarity what you need to do. Maybe if you are facing some obstacles, you know with that confidence, and people really look up to you for the way you handle your situation so well. So you are a great inspiration to the people whom you work with. So that is also what I see with this card, guys. So for your relationship, let us see what is the card. It's the Strength. These cards I think must be read straight, guys, not in reverse. We will keep it straight. It is strength for your personal life situation. So again, in your relationship with this person, this may be what they feel about you or what you feel about them. You know what you need to do, and you have that strong willpower and endurance, courage to go the distance, and you know how you need to be in this situation, have that determination in your heart of heart to see things through till the end. So whatever obstacles are there, you know what you need to do today, Aquarius. So with all these cards, the energy I am getting is that you are really confident today, guys. So you will be able to face any situation. That is what I see here. So all those troubles, whatever it may be, it does not hold an important place in your life today, because you are a person of confidence and inspiration and knowledge. So you know with clarity what you need to do in your career or in your personal life. That is what I see with all these cards that we open for you, Aquarius. So you have that clear path right in front of you. Let us see what is your oracle guidance for today, Aquarius. By the book. So this card here means that you have to play by the rules today to reach success. So whatever there are many laws in the world, laws of nature and laws of attraction, whatever it is. So when we play by the book, when we do what our seniors did in our career, or what the people in our family did, what our parents did, or what our older siblings did, what they did in that particular circumstance, when we follow by those rules, we will be able to achieve success. So that is what this card is about. That is the guidance here. So in any circumstance, if you have any doubts, you need clarity on that situation, you can take this as a guidance. So you have to just play by the book, whatever the rule is, what anyone and everyone will do in that particular situation. So you don't have to think of a new path for yourself or something new, new choice for yourself. So when you do that, you will reach success. So that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the guidance for today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.